Hey guys, it's Sean, the garage designer from the design department here at Obsessed Garage. Today let's talk about Levrack, what it's used for, and how we use it in garage designs. Levrack is a pallet racking based storage option that comes in 7 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet, or 12 foot wide options, and it comes in 7 feet or 8 foot cabinet height options. And then it also comes in a couple different kits where you can get it with height extensions like we see here in the background. So you can get it with the 10-foot height extension, which extends the height up to 10 feet and adds a shelf at 10 feet. Or you can get a 12-foot extension, which extends the height to 12 feet and adds one shelf at 10 feet and 12 feet. Or you can just get one at 12 feet that adds only one shelf at 12 feet. So the great thing about Levrack is that it's offered in 3 different depth options. So you can get it in 30 inches, you can get it in 3 feet, 36 inches, or you can get it in 48 inches, 4 feet. This option right here is the 30-inch depth, which means that the physical cabinets here are 30 inches deep. And you can actually do them in any color and do them fully custom to whatever you're looking for. The great thing about Levrack is it's super dense storage for the footprint that it's occupying on the floor when compared to a traditional locker. As you can see over here, this MSS 36-inch locker, that's just occupying the space, whereas this is occupying a larger space, but it's more dense because it has 3 lockers built in as well as a height extension. So one of the other things that we really like about the Levrack is because of all the accessories, you can store larger things like drills or bags of fertilizer, or you can store smaller things like different tool grid bits or drill bits with the hanger rails. It kind of just depends whatever accessories you're looking to use. Not pictured here, but you can get a 4-foot or an 8-foot workbench extension that will just add on to your Levrack that will serve as a workbench for anything that you need to use on a work surface. You can also get a rolling workbench that will pair nicely with your Levrack. So in the design department, we use Levrack pretty frequently now. In this garage that you can see, we used a 12-foot by 8-foot by 30-inch deep model with an 8-foot by 30-inch deep Levrack workstation plus extension because the client really needed some dense storage and he wanted to be able to fit it in his garage with his large SUVs. And here's another garage where you can see that we needed a smaller Levrack because we needed really dense storage for the space without occupying too much of the footprint. If you're curious about using Levrack in your space, make sure to reach out to design@obsessedgarage.com and we can help you set that up. Otherwise, make sure to check out our other design-related videos and Levrack product videos that we're going to have on the Obsessed Garage channel or OG Shorts channel.